Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get Whop creator reward in 2025. There are several ways to create content rewards on your Whop. So simply create an account and just simply click the create button in the bottom left of your Whop. And what do you want to create? There are several type of niches that you can choose to earn Whop rewards from. So see the content reward creation pop-up and how much every type of niche pays you for your what you want to say Whoop rewards. So in the pop-up, fill out the required fields. Just simply make an account that we all know how to do so because it is common in every application before starting the application. So you can what you want to say earn from uh basically make money by selling on Whoop, by selling a product, by making Whoop clips, or making your original content, online business ideas, your remote side hustles, and by referring friends, meaning an affiliate program. So these are ways in which you can get Whoop rewards in 2025. And yeah, these are the only ways that Whoop offers. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.